Ah.
Just like it's made for.
And, oh, you were going to say thanks, Jane?
Thanks, Jane.
Okay. I'm going to edit this later.
I've done it without you.
Okay, so Marty ate something wrong for breakfast, so he's really going to toss his cookies, aren't you? Going to toss the cookies? Okay, here we go. Wow. 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 And one more.
One more.
All right. Toss. How do you feel now?
I feel like I tossed my cookies. I feel pretty good.
Nice, nice.
Front.
It's like brand new.
Yeah.
It's wonderful. Wonderful. So wonderful. Let's talk about doing this. I know, oh my gosh, okay, well, okay, yeah, talk about doing this. Okay, well, you're happy, Marty, yeah, okay, let's roll, and, yeah, that's a big one, but she's lost on spider, so that's a good sound. Green stuff doesn't it, take a while. Wow, wonderful. Big difference. So, fitting in, the two head lines go through, that, and, oh, so, did you want to say thanks, Jane? I think you got one in the video. Okay. Can you hear me? Okay. What's in the bag? Okay, there you go. There's a cat in the bag.